time in business is money. When some banks takes much time, the chance of selling maybe will go away. liwwa give us an approval of the finance in short time comparing to banks. I bought coloring chips for yarn factory, so I could produce the order very quickly and not lose this selling chance.
The reason that small businesses in emerging markets typically lack access to finance is twofold. First, there's the structural fact of how banks work. For a bank, it's more profitable to make a big loan than a small loan. The other challenge in emerging markets in particular is access to information. In a well-developed market like the Netherlands, there's a credit bureau, there's an abundance of information that goes into a credit score that a third-party lender can then make sense of. In Jordan and other emerging markets, typically those third-party sources of information don't exist in the same way. We've devoted a lot of effort to building credit models that allow us to make some sense of the risk profile of the business that we're lending to.
كان حاجتنا للشركة اللي هو بالذات يعني إنه نحن اليوم عندنا مزارعين إمكانياتهم المادية بسيطة، ما بيقدر يعطيك كريدت، فأنت مضطر لشيء سريع تعطيه فلوس، فإحنا مشان نتعامل مع هذا المزارع لازم يكون في ممول بالطريق، فكانت لوية موجودة، فهذا ساعدنا على إنه إحنا ننتشر ببضاعتنا في أكثر من مكان، وكان ساعدنا كمان إنه يكون في عندنا في شواغر وظيفية زيادة.
liwwa has diverse sources of funding: international lenders, DFIs mainly out of Europe, local banks, and of course our own marketplace where we sell some of our assets. We lend money to small businesses and then we take those loans and we sell some of those loans through our website to third-party buyers, usually people who are between 35 and 50. They tend to be professionals, and what they're buying is a series of repayments from a small business loan. FMO's venture capital program addresses a big market failure in the Middle East venture capital ecosystem. For example, FMO's enabled liwwa to scale its business into Egypt, something we wouldn't have been able to do without that support.
FMO, Entrepreneurial Development Bank.